Hello, we're going to find the area of a right triangle. A right triangle will have a 90-degree angle here, and across from it here is always the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the triangle. Let's go ahead and mark some units here. This leg will be 3, and this one will be 4, and this longest side will make 5. So the area of a triangle is equal to half of the base times the height. Well, you might want to know that the base is either this leg or this leg here. How do we figure it out if this triangle was rotated either this way or the other way? It doesn't really matter. First of all, because you're multiplying here, so either number could be in base or into the height. And secondly, another good way to know is that the base is always going to be perpendicular to the height. So in this case, we're going to have 3 as our base and 4 as our height. So area equals 1/2 of, yes, you're right, 3 times the height, which is 4. And we're going to go ahead and multiply straight through. We'll multiply all the numerators together, which is 1 times 3 times 4, and we end up with 12. And then we'll multiply all the denominators, which is all the numbers underneath on the bottom, which is 2 times an indivisible 1 and an invisible 1. So we end up with 2 times 1 times 1, which is 2. And we divide 12 by 2, and we get area of this triangle is equal to 6 square units, because we have area. Now let's take a look at something really quick here. If we were to extend this triangle and make a mirror image of it, right across from itself, we end up with something that looks like a rectangle or some kind of a square piece, a rectangular piece. What is the area of a rectangle or a box? Yes, it's the base times the height. So if we were to erase this triangle piece here, the hypotenuse, we end up with our box. And the area of this box ends up being 3 times 4, which is 12. And yes, you're already thinking ahead. So the area of a triangle, this is how they got the formula. 1/2 of the base times the height gives us literally half of this rectangle, which makes up our right triangle. Good job.